equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are tackling a common issue with the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 coffee machine. It won't power on. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug the machine to ensure safety. Remove the screws located at the back and sides of the machine using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off the machine. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the cover. Next, inspect the internal components. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt wires or loose connections. If you see any debris, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the area. It's essential to keep the internal parts clean to ensure proper functioning. Now, let's check the power supply. Using your multimeter, set it to the AC voltage setting. Test the power cord by placing the probes on the plug terminals. If there's no voltage, the power cord may need replacing. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. If the power cord is fine, the next step is to check the internal fuse. Locate the fuse holder, which is usually near the power supply board. Remove the fuse and test it with your multimeter. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. This is a common issue that can prevent your machine from turning on. After replacing the fuse, reassemble the machine by reversing the steps we took to disassemble it. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting the machine yourself. Once reassembled, plug the machine back in and try turning it on. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Silvercrest SKMC 1200. If it still doesn't work, there may be a deeper issue at play. In that case, we recommend getting a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Finally, always ensure to keep your machine clean and well maintained to prevent future issues. Regular cleaning of the internal components and checking for loose connections can save you time and money in the long run. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.